What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about why most people will not become rich. I'm going to talk about 3 things that prevent people from becoming wealthy, but I'm also going to tell you guys exactly what you guys can do to prevent that from happening. Before we get into the video, if you guys have not subscribed to the channel, make sure to do so down below. Also, leave this video a like if you guys did enjoy it by the end of it or got any value from it. But with that out of the way, you guys, let's go ahead and get right into this video. Now, the first thing and one of the biggest things keeping people from reaching financial freedom is actually having the need to buy new tech every single time something comes out. That includes iPhones, laptops, TVs, whatever it may be, the new video games, the new video game consoles, whatever it may be. They feel like they need to buy it as soon as it comes out, and they need to get the very brand new thing that comes out as soon as it comes out. Now, I definitely don't think this is a smart move, just because as soon as you get that new tech toy, whatever you get, there's something that is going to come out pretty soon right after you guys get that, just because of how fast technology is moving right now. Things are going to keep coming out brand new, and then it's just going to be a cycle of you guys buying brand new tech every single time something comes out. But it's a never-ending cycle, because as soon as you get that, a couple months down the road, something else will come out. Now, what I recommend and what I usually do is buy it used or refurbished. Amazon is a great place for you guys to do this. So when you go to Amazon and when you look up whatever you guys are trying to buy, you can either get it new, but if you click on the item and just scroll down a little bit, it says you can get it for used. And usually, guys, for tech, you can get stuff like half off or maybe a little bit more than half price. But a lot of the times they're almost brand new. It's just that people just want to go ahead and get rid of them so they can get the brand new thing. But you're smart enough to not get the brand new thing. Just get whatever is used, because it's only going to be a couple months old, and it's going to work almost the same as the brand new thing that comes out. So it's much more beneficial to you to save that money and get something that's actually still in really good condition for a much lower price. So just make sure when you're buying technology, make sure that it is worth the actual upgrade of whatever you guys are spending on that. Now, the second thing keeping people from becoming wealthy is them actually eating all of their money away. Most people don't realize exactly how much they spend every single week on fast food, eating out, whatever they do. They don't realize just how much they are spending every single week. They're so used to eating out every single day, they think that it's actually a necessity. It's not a necessity to go out and eat every day. It is a necessity to eat every day, but there are other ways of eating. Cooking at home is something you guys can do to reduce the amount of times you guys go out to eat or get fast food drastically if you guys do it a smart way. Now, as I've mentioned in a previous video, I do meal prep at home. I cook about 7 meals for my week, so that cancels out at least 7 meals throughout the week. So if I take that for lunch, that cancels out eating out for lunch 7 times that whole week. So pretty much 1 meal for the entire day. Apart from that, guys, I still cook at home. Apart from those meal preps that I do in the mornings, I cook. And usually dining out or eating out fast food, whatever it may be, I go out about 3 times a week. So definitely not too much compared to other people. Some people actually go every single day, and some people still go even more than once a day. Some people get breakfast right before work, and then they go and get their lunch. So some people do twice a day, which is about 14 times a week. So if you can imagine just how much money they're spending just on food, it's pretty ridiculous. So my advice for you guys to just avoid spending all that money on fast food is cooking at home. Cook your own breakfasts. It's not that hard to make some eggs in the morning before you leave to work. Make your own coffee. And meal prep, maybe you can choose on a Sunday in the afternoon. Meal prep about 7 meals for your lunch, and then you guys don't have to spend money every single day for your lunch. Now, the third thing keeping people from becoming wealthy is something that I actually struggled with a lot when I was younger. Now I really do have this under control. I don't do this much at all, but it is actually retail therapy. So if you don't know what retail therapy is, it's pretty much just going out shopping whenever you're bored or whenever you're not feeling that good. A lot of people do this whenever they're bored, which I think is a horrible idea, because when you go out shopping whenever you're bored, you're literally just going to buy stuff just because you have nothing else to do. It might make you even buy things that you don't even need, and maybe things that you won't ever wear. So such as like a shirt, maybe you think you like it at the moment just because you have nothing else to do, but you actually never end up wearing that shirt. You don't need new shoes and new clothes every single weekend. You don't also need the same black pants for like every single day of the week. You don't need as much as you think you need. So make sure that you just buy what you need. Let's say you have a blue pair of jeans that you wear almost every single week, whatever it may be, and they're starting to rip or whatever, then yeah, obviously you're going to need to go and buy some jeans. But don't buy new jeans every single weekend when you already have more than enough. I'm also not saying for you guys to not go out and enjoy your money. Go out and enjoy your money on fast food, clothes, whatever it may be that you guys want to spend your money on. I'm just saying make sure to have it under control. So you guys, those are 3 reasons why a lot of people will never be financially free and also will never become wealthy. If you guys have any questions, make sure to leave it down in the comments. Also, any concerns that you guys may have, just go ahead and leave it. I will reply to any comment that you guys leave. But I just wanted to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do so down below. And if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave it a like. It really does help out the channel. And make sure to stay tuned for more videos just like this. But you guys, I will catch you guys on the next video.